So good afternoon and welcome guys to the second round of Demo Day. We are honored to host this showcase celebrating the creativity and dedication of the developers who participated in our recent hackathon. On sincere appreciation goes out to all developers for their commitment and to our esteemed George for offering their time and insight today. We are pleased to feature 5 developers. We have Dr. Shift, we have Turismo, Ochina, Particle Bottle, we call it Predator, and Douglas Kiprop, he didn't join yet. Each presenter will have 5 minutes for slides presentation, 3 minutes for live demonstration, 2 minutes for George feedback. We kindly ask everyone to remain mindful of the time and ensure screen sharing is prepared in advance. We would also like to extend helpful thanks for our sponsor Anchor, who's not joining today, whose generous support has made this event possible. Your investment in the developer and community is truly appreciated. Without further delay, we welcome our first presenter. Let's start with the last one that we made, Turismo, and then we go back to the others. So Turismo, the floor is yours. You have the mic. You can just share your screen. Good luck. Yeah, all good, all good. You can start.
Hopefully, if I switch the screen, you can still hear me.
Yeah, we can still hear you.
Okay, so my application is Swipester. It's a horizontal scroll type of modern app based on zapping users on Nostr. So you get a feed that shows you just one note at a time. And if you want to zap the user, you can swipe right to do so. And if you don't want to zap the user, you can just swipe left to scroll to the next note and view the next note. So let me load my slides here so I can present. So yeah, the key features are just zapping and seeing the kind word notes, and it's a responsive PWA already installable, and also runs on the Yakihonne smart widget as well. We had to convert that into a standalone app as well. So how it works, you connect your wallet, and then of which you use the NWC, Nostr wallet connection string if you have one, and you use the swipe left or right to browse notes. Right, as I said, to zap, and left to skip the next. So Nostr is exciting, as we all know, and Swipester is a new way to make it more fun and even encourages community engagement. It's simple, agentic, and it's very open. So I'm going to go ahead and give a demo and see how that works. So my app is available on Swipester as a subdomain as well on my domain as swipester.tourist.space. It is available, and we're going to test it right now on the Yakihonne platform. So once you load the app, you get a feed that loads the notes. I'm calling them swipes right now. I think I can increase the size of the screen. So for example, this is one note that has been noted by someone called Shashi Clone on Nostr. As you can see, if I try to zap right now and swipe right, you'll get a notification that says set your NWC wallet in settings, because I haven't yet set the NWC connection string. So I'm also expected to happen on the Android or the iOS smart widget as well, with the configuration with your settings. Once you have your NWC set, you can get to zapping by swiping either of the sides. And you can see the balance updates. And yeah, that is it. this is the app on the as a normal application as well, with them kind of structure and operating the same way. You add the NWC string and use up your friends and notes by setting a default amount. So yes, that is my presentation, and I'm ready for some questions.
Okay, that was a fantastic work on that demo, Turismo. Really impressive. We go back here now to George. If we'd love to hear your reactions, thought, or any suggestions for improvements, guys. V, Moose, Sid, or Yunus. Someone saw. Let's go to Moose. Do you have anything you want to say?
Yeah, I have things actually. First of all, thank you for your work, and can you please share again your screen so I can point out my remarks?
Okay. I'm sharing my screen again. Yeah.
Yeah. First of all, you're apparently using the Smart Handler SDK, and there are few things that you could have avoided implementing it yourself because the SDK has already provided this, such as the login. When you send the register to the host app will get you back the user metadata of the connected user. Also for the zapping, when the app is opened in the Yakihonne platform, there's a possibility of using the SDK to perform zapping directly using the multiple wallets connected on the platform. So I think you didn't use the SDK on its full functionality here. Is there any reason for this?
Oh, yes. I only use the Smart widget for site publishing and for the notes. To publish the Zap event, I obviously didn't have the C wallet. Say if a user has an NWC wallet on their Yakihonne mobile phone, that is the next thing that I was trying to implement. I was even talking to one of the devs about it. So yeah, thank you for that.
Yeah, okay. You can dive deeper on the documents to achieve this. But the idea is good, and the UX can be much better. Yeah, this is from my side.
Thank you, Moose, for the feedback. Yunus, anything from your side?
Nothing from my side. Just the SDK should be used as Moose mentioned, yeah.
Okay, same opinion with the Moose. V?
I'm glad Turismo got everything working today. So good job, Turismo. But yeah, no remarks from my side. I think Moose covered all the basics.
Good. Thank you. Okay, so guys, thanks to Turismo for the presentation. And thanks for this demo on slides. Yeah, a valuable insight from our Jos. And now let's turn the spotlight to our next talented developer. We have Dr. Shift. You're up. Let's see what you've built. Go ahead and share your screen. The mic is yours.
Hello guys. You can see my screen, the presentation?
Yeah.
All good.
Nice one. Okay. We are going to present together, me and Pratik. We are one team working together since more than a year now. And we wanted, at one point, to build an audience on Nostr to get visibility for products we build. But we couldn't see when we publish how our content is performing and what kind of engagement it got. And yeah, we figured out some other people must have the same feeling, all about Nostr. No? So yeah, we came up with the idea to build a product, and now this product is Zap Tracker. It's a tool to create, manage, and analyze a Nostr audience, especially made for creators, but everyone can use it. Huh? There's a use case for everyone inside it. And so yeah, the problems, like said, going to imagine you're a creator or just a dude who want to publish content on Nostr, and then you got you post on Nostr, you get lightning tips, and you have followers zapping you, but actually, where do you actually seeing what's going on, and where are your zaps coming from? Which post performed best? Which wallet received what? All these are problems we faced because there are so many tools and not one tool which is doing all the stuff. And then we built, like said, Zap Tracker. You can see there's a creator command center. It's a single beautiful dashboard that brings all together we thought which is needed. Right now, you have your content there. You can see your Nostr zaps. You can see some details about the Nostr zaps. You have all your wallet connections there. So we use Nostr Wallet Connect. You can plug in different wallets. And you have also some options to have community engagement there if wished or needed. We have a chat implemented, so you can directly chat with your audience. So it's right now all in one place, simple, private, and in real time. The tech stack we used for the front end, it's Vue and Vite. And for Nostr stuff, we use the library from Nostr tools. And if it's not fitting, we created some own code using Nostr logic in raw code. Yeah, for the Nostr Wallet Connect stuff, we use the Albi SDK because it's beautiful. For visualization of some stats, we use the npm package with eCharts. The data is all stored locally in your browser's cache and fetched from Nostr relays. So you can also use Zap Tracker on different devices. It's fetching the content from relays and it's local storage again. And also we use the Yakihonne SDK widget to implement some features which are inside this widget. We saw there are much more. We tried a little bit more, but ran out of time. So this is upcoming. We're going to integrate the Yakihonne SDK much more because we saw there are very useful integrations we should use to make it more convenient. These are right now the NIPs we used for login. We used the NIP 7 extension. It's not here mentioned, but all the other stuff we use right now is here in this table. Yeah, what you can do right now, like mentioned, you can publish and create content within Zap Tracker and publish it to the whole network. Right now, long form content and normal nodes, but we're going to have some upcoming stuff. You can analyze your data. You see nice analytics, which content performed best, which time performed best. Which zapper is your best zapper? Is it a unique zapper? Is it a repeat zapper? So you get some stuff you can see how your content is performing. You can use it on different devices. It's originally it's a web-based app. We have now the Yakihonne smart widget, and we also plan to launch it in Zap Store as a native app. Also upcoming app is Google and Apple Store. What makes it unique? It's privacy-first architecture, so we don't have a database where we store all your stuff. Your stuff belongs to you. We have no look inside. Then it's a unified platform, so we're using the Lightning network with Nostr and a CMS to place it all in one tool. So it's pretty simple. It's creator-centric design. So it's also really low level based. So you have all the features in like 2 clicks at least. So it's not deep. And yeah, it's pretty easy if you have a good idea to integrate a new kind, a new NIP. So it's also extensible for future. What's next? So I mentioned we have some upcoming goals. And one is a ZEP goal. So you can create a target which you want to get funded, or ongoing target. So it's time-based or not time-based. And people can ZEP your goal, or even ZEP a node which is dedicated to that ZEP goal, and all the ZEPs will go into that pot. Then we have calendar with upcoming RSVP support, so you have engagement with your community again. And overall, we want to get community feedback. It's really important. So if some guys have feedback at all time, we are hungry for feedback. And yeah, now my mate Pratik is going to make a live demonstration of the Yakihonne widget. And we're going to make a screen share swap. I'm going to cancel my screen and he's going up. Let me give a second. Is it gone? Yeah, it's gone.
Okay. Hey guys, Pratik here. Let me know if you can see my screen. It's visible?
Yeah.
Okay, great. Okay, so we have recently published the Zap Tracker as a widget as well. So previously we had like a standalone web application, but right now we have integrated in the Yakihonne as well. So you can use it from the Yakihonne as well. So it's right now two way. One way is if you want to send or receive a payment using the Nostr string, then you can just technically go to setting and basically add the Nostr string. So here you can connect a multiple wallets. So you just need to provide the connection string, and then you can just send the receive payment that I will go through next, and the Nostr profile login that you can basically connect. And if you have Lightning address as well, you can track basically zaps whatever you have received in the Lightning address and all. Relay management, where you can just maintain the what kind of relay you want to connect it at a time, and yeah, few more. So these are the settings where basically here you have the Nostr login connection related information and relays. Here you can maintain multiple wallets. If you want to disconnect or something like that, that also you can do. Notification we have right now supported, like you can see whenever you receive the payment information and all, you can basically enable the notification right now, and you will get the ZAP related information and all. So you can enable like sound as well and few stuff here and as well. And reset. So let's say if you want to remove all the data from your browser, so technically just go and hit the reset all data, which will basically remove all the data what we have stored on the your local storage. It will be gone in just one click. Okay, so let's start by one. So first is the dashboard. So let's say here there is no right now app or website that support like the combined statistic of your all dashboard, whatever zips you have received on all on the Nostr and all. Okay, so technically we just created a combined web application where you can see all the analysis and all. So and by the time it will automatically refresh the data as well. So here you can see I received 4 zaps till now, 58 sets I receive right now. I have 3 unique supporters, and average zap my is 15. Okay, and here is the last 30 days timeline you can see. So right now today I give let's say 51 sets, so you can see the beautiful chart. And the last one is the recent zap. So here you will see the recent zap you have received. It can be combined, like if you can you received on zaps on the Yakihonne or Primal, it will be combined here. It will fetch the data from the relays and it will display the data here for the recent zaps. Okay, this one is the wallet from the connection string, the NWC connection string you have connected to. It's available here. Also you can see the total zaps here as well, and the amount as well, and this one is the wallet balance you have, and a few more details. Okay, zap feed. Zap feed is technically all zaps whatever you have received combined data. You can see technically here all the data is there. Whatever comments you have received from which user you have received the zap. We fed the Nostr profile information as well from the using the NIPs, and on the click you can see basically all the details and all event details also you can see. Okay, This is the Zaptec where you can see all the transaction and all. Next is the analysis thing. You can see the total zaps and all you have there, okay? But daily zap activity you can't see. So you can see the last 7 days activity, how many sets you have received. It will be displayed here. How many total supporters you have. So it's technically great if you are content creator or something like that and you post on daily basis, so you can see how many top supporters you have and how much contributor they have combined to here, okay? And these are the zaps amount distribution. So here you can see from 1 to 10 sets how many zaps you have received, from 11 to 50 how much zaps you have received. And these are some more analytics, how many repeat supporters you have and top supporters, what is who supported top sets and all, okay? Next is the wallet thing, where the NWC string comes into place. Here we will fetch the how much balance you have connected to the Nostr string. You can hide it or refresh it here. If you want to send or receive, here you can see the recent transaction, whatever you have received right now. If you want to send the invoice, you can send it. You can just pay the Lightning invoice and send the send payment button. It will be sent from your whatever Nostr connected string connected to the wallet. Okay, if you want to receive the amount, you can just type receive amount and create the invoice, test invoice, and just create the invoice. And then it will create the invoice. You can share the QR code as well. You can just copy paste it and share it to your friend or family, wherever you want to share, and share button as well. Okay, so this is how you can create the invoice. Technically it's very easy. You can connect and maintain the multiple wallets here, okay? And if you want to send the amount as well, you can just open the scanner and that's it. It's easy. Like instead of like going to like LB or something like that, LB Go on, or which supports only the wallet connection, or here we have all the combined things. So let's say if you want to chat with some another user or something like that, so you can basically here let's say whatever whoever you want to contact, add the connection name, add the pub key where you want to send the message, and you can see it will be displayed like this, okay? And you can just directly send message to him or say hi everything. It will be published on Zap, on the relays, and it will be published to all platform, like the multiple relay connected to it will be sending all the message to all the relay, and it will be there, okay? So here it's basically easy to chat between the user and all. And yeah, next part, it's the content. It's the very good thing. You can post a long form content and all. It technically Yakihonne supports. The primer right now doesn't support the long form content, but here you can see the free sets, how many content you have published and all, and how many sets and revenue your content has, okay? So here you can see the price and all. We are planning to implement the paid content as well. It's still in work in progress, but yeah, you can just create the content all, and you can just publish it on the multiple relays, okay? Nodes, simple. Here you can tag your nodes related information, how much revenue you get from your nodes, how many total nodes you have, and all other information and all. So we fetched all your nodes from the relays and display when you have published it or you want to delete it or not, okay? So let's say if I want to post a node, so we are live, and let's say I just published a node, okay? And primer also, you can see it will be published to multiple relay, whatever connects it to. Here you can see we are live, it's published on them, and also on the Yakihonne as well, it will be displayed.
That's great. Protocol, time is out.
Yeah. So yeah, that's it from now. Open for your questions, guys.
That was a really great presentation. Great works. On the Zaptracker mini app is a solid project with a real potential. The presentation was clear, engaging, and showed a strong understanding of use case. The live demo absolutely smooth and impressive. It was really enjoyable to see its action. Big kudos for the force and creativity you both to the table. I hand it over now to our Josh George. Moose, anything wanna say from your part?
Yeah, sure, always. Great work on the application, by the way. I can see that the Zap tracker is loaded with features here. And I just have one question. First, does the data of the, or say, let's say the statistics of the Zaps work without a full connection of the wallet?
Yeah, these are the basically from your Nostr profiles. Like it's combined to your content and nodes, how much zaps you have received, and we fetch it from the relays and just display the statistics.
Yeah, because I have tried the application of the smart widgets, but I couldn't make it work. It always stays on the dummy user.
Yeah, there's a key understanding. So the zaps are based on the LUT16 lightning address attached to your Nostr profile, and the NVC part is the second connection. So you receive and see the zaps based on your Nostr profile, and when it's not a zap, we don't have a profile, so it's anonymous. So when you do a zap payment and pay just with a Nostr wallet connect, so pay a lightning invoice, you don't see a zap, then it's a normal payment.
Yeah, I get this part. I mean, on the smart widget part, can you go back to Yakihonne again?
Yeah.
Do you have another connected account or profile?
No, actually, I don't have it.
Yeah, because when you click here, for example, I've tried it with my account. I didn't see anything. Just stayed on the dummy data and all. I think it's because you have connected with the NWC here. That's why you can see all the data.
No, it's connected to the LB extension actually.
Oh yeah, okay. Now I can see.
So yeah.
So it's not using the Yakihonne SDK,
Yeah, that's what we mentioned before. We saw a lot of more stuff we can do, and we wanted to leverage the SDK to integrate it more smooth as a Yakihonne widget.
Yeah, exactly. That's what my second part is coming. The Zap tracker is loaded with many features I can see here, but I think it's gonna be more interesting if you can make a minimal version of the Zap tracker, because smart widgets is meant to be light. So maybe few shards will do the thing. Yeah, because the platform is huge, as I can see.
Yeah, the main plan was to basically combine all stuff in one go, actually, because right now if you go for the wallet and all, there is one LBGO app where you can do wallet stuff and all, and Yakihonne is there for content and Primal as well. But here, if you do, it will be published on multiple relays like Primal or and other relays and all. So yeah, that's why the idea was like combine all stuff in one place only. So yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
But we got your point. Maybe for the smart widget, reduce it to little less content.
Yeah, for sure. Yeah. This is it from my part. Good job again.
Yeah.
Thanks for feedback.
Yeah.
Okay. We'll give a quick for Yunus and V. Anything from your side?
I like the work. Good job, guys. It's a really good idea to see this as a mini app, but as Moose said, it could be better to showcase like lightweight of the platform itself for the smart widget and combine it with the SDK itself.
Yep.
Good job, guys.
Yep. Thanks.
Great. V?
Hey, the app looks pretty cool. Something that I could use with my team as well. But the only problem is I was testing it right now and I'm unable to log in using Nostr Connect. I don't want to use NWC to connect, and I was trying to click on the Nostr Connect to connect with Amber, but it just keeps throwing an error.
Okay.
In the smart widget, the Amber, no?
Yes.
Yeah, that's the native app Amber. I don't know why we have to figure it out. It's not working in the smart widget right now. It's working when you're using it as in the browser.
Yeah.
But in the widget, we have to figure out what's the problem with the native app of Amber to connect. but it will be gone when we use the SDK and then the Yakihonne profile is logged in.
Got you. Can you paste the link of the app on the chat so I can take a look again?
Yeah.
Thank you, guys. Yep.
Okay. That's it, V, from your side?
Yeah, that's it.
Okay. Sadiq, do you have anything you want to add? All good from your side?
Yeah, all good. I mean, like, the whole idea, like, is like really brilliant, to be honest. And like the amount and the sheer work like done here is definitely something interesting and inspiring. So yeah, like basically to have it like as much reach in our platform is definitely something really good, you know. So good job, guys.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you for the feedback.
Thank you.
Like I said, guys, it was a really solid project with a real potential. Open your screen and hand it over.
All right. Thanks so much. Also.
You can share your screen, Shino. Okay.
Yeah. So I don't know if you can see my screen.
All good, yeah.
All right. So I'll be presenting on Bitstream Analytics, and my name is Ogumaimon Ochena. So let's run through the table of contents. We're talking about. Let me make my screen much more bigger. Coming. A minute, please.
对身边或者是周遭的人比较冷漠，就特别利己主义。
All right. So we'll be talking about Bitstream Analytics. The problem, our solution to the problem, core features, how it works, project goals, predicted results, and then our team. Now about Bitstream Analytics. Bitstream Analytics is a project set to create an educational platform that educates users on Nostr, Bitcoin, and the Yakihonne platform. Its vision is to empower users with a deep understanding of Nostr, Bitcoin, and Yakihonne, forming an informed and engaged community ready to navigate the decentralized web. Now, the problem. So many people around the world are not informed nor didn't know of the decentralized space. When we talk to people about the decentralized ecosystem, using African as a case study because I'm a Nigerian, you find out that quite a time is spent on knowledge sharing and aiding them to understand about Nostr, Bitcoin, and Yakihonne, and what they stand for. Particular example goes to several workshops, seminars, and events I've attended, whereby I see moderators putting in their best to giving a full intro to the main target users, get to know what they stand for, which is actually mostly challenging and time-consuming. Now, our solution to the problem. And with Bitstream analysis, users will be able to navigate through Nostr, Bitcoin, and the Yakihonne platform. So to solve this problem, to solve the above problem, Bitstream Analytics was developed to serve as a foundation and educational platform that educates people about the decentralized ecosystem. When I first heard of this hackathon and being an ambassador for Yakihonne, I've always been open doing, checking through and seeing, okay, so we got those stuffs, we got people not knowing about the decentralized system, people not knowing how to go about it, and if you're like, okay, this is Yakihonne, this is what it does, this is what you can do, they'll be like, haven't heard of it before. So now, why not bring something that makes people know that, okay, yeah, this actually exists and you can get this done, you can follow these procedures and get to know much more about this. Now, core features. Bitstream Analytics will feature detailed curricula across 3 key areas. The first will be the Bitcoin ecosystem. Now, this foundational section covers Bitcoin's basic to advanced concepts, such as fundamentals, mining and wallets, and Lightning Network. Next up is the Nostr ecosystem. Now, this will give a dive into the decentralized social protocol, gaining social knowledge, notes and other stuff transmitted by relays. As a censorship-resistant protocols, it covers relays and clients, keys and identities, and events and zaps. You know, most times when you tell people something like, oh, in traditional systems, that's non-decentralized systems like Twitter, like Facebook, you'll be needing your email address to log up and a password. But here you don't lose that. What we use the keys and identities. Now, the most important, the Yakihonne platform. Now, this will give a deep dive into Yakihonne as a premium Nostr client for long-form content. It covers key aspects such as Yakihonne introduction, content creation, article writing, and social features. Will also contain Relay interactions. Now, project goals. So, currently, this project is still up on, and I have certain goals, which are four main idealized goals, which I feel like, yeah, if this is actually launched in full fledged, because right now I'm still looking up for contents, I'll be needing videos, and it's actually tasking, but then I believe we could all do this. So, the first goal will be serve as a guide to users on navigating the Yakihonne platform. This has always been something I've been doing right from my first time getting into a decentralized web and then knowing about Yakihonne. Because I came to know about Nostra, came to know about Bitcoin and the decentralized ecosystem by an introduction to Yakihonne. Two, serve as an educational platform for decentralization. Now, the third goal will be serve as a lead figure in the campaign on essential knowledge impacts on Bitcoin ecosystem. And lastly, but the most important, let the world know that freedom is just a step away. Predicted results. Now, I believe that if this site is launched fully and everything is in order, and then we got users, we start up with the sharing and getting people to pop up on the site, there will be a 35 increase in the number of users in just 1 month after launch. Bitcoin will also have an increase 30% in its ecosystem because we serve as an educational platform and our main goal is educating people, letting them know that all right, so this exists, Bitcoin is here to stay, and they get to know how to navigate through everything. And also, Nostra will have a 35 increase in the number of users on the Nostra ecosystem as a whole. Our team. So right now it's just me, Ogomai Manuel, software developer. I call myself an agent of decentralization and an ambassador for Yakihonne. Thanks. So I'll be moving over to a live demo to show us how it's like, and I'll be doing that on the Yakihonne Smart widget. So
让你刚解决你的这个问题，就是我觉得，你现在跟我说过，就解决一种。
all right, so I don't know if you guys can see my screen, currently on the smart widget, and I'll be giving a brief demo of how it looks like and how it works. Now this is Bitstream Analytics. The first feature of this app is this. It's actually very user friendly. It has a nice UI. It was being developed using Bytes. I use React, I use Tailwind CSS for the designs, and also TypeScript. And yeah, further going up, the database will be integrated using SQLite. And yeah, it's accessible on both mobile and PC. So if you're accessing Yakini through the web or through your phone, that's your Android device, or your iOS, it's fully compatible. So first off, we have Bitcoin. Now this is the Bitcoin ecosystem. Is actually a particular part that takes users on a complete journey from Bitcoin basics to advanced concepts, including Lightning networks, mining, DeFi applications built on the world's first cryptocurrency. Now, you have this like Bitcoin fundamentals, Bitcoin wallet and security, Lightning network, Bitcoin mining, and also featured video lessons. Actually, now this ends quite accessible yet because, like I said earlier on, I'll be needing full-fledged and quality content to input into this, which I haven't gotten yet. But once I have my hands on everything, it's gonna be uploaded and the site is gonna be fully functional. This was an idea that just started up, and I felt like, yeah, with this we're gonna get somewhere what's going because that's always the aim to educate users and then to get people know that this exists. The Nostra ecosystem is here to stay. The next is Nostra. Mastering Nostra Protocol. Now, people will be able to scroll through that if you want to go through Bitcoin or Nostra or Yakihonne, you just have to tap on any of it and then you explore. Just like in the first, it has the same streamline of content and yeah, my favorite as I always say. the Yakihonne platform. Now in this, you see stuff like long form article publishing, because one of the best features of Yakihonne is its long form article writing,
I like to say.
media and creation.
Yeah, yes.
Sorry.
So today you're off. You no need to today.
A
You
minute,
no need to
please.
work. You're off today. No work today.
Let's go one more time.
Yes. Everything.
Sorry. All right. So I'm back.
Yes, I know.
As I was saying,
Wait a second.
now people get to learn about Yakihonne's community futures, decentralized, its monetization,
Where's your
and
pajama?
cross-platform. And also we have course modules.
Oh, this
Now
is.
this will
Where's your pajama?
take up courses
Your
individuals
dress.
starting from Yakihonne introduction,
Okay.
that giving them an introduction into what Yakihonne is all about. And then they also have
Yeah.
content creation, community building, monetization strategies. And then also there will be examples like types where people can create and see, okay, other people's articles and essays, stories fiction, that the several drop downs on the article writing, and also there's featured video lessons. But like I also stated earlier, I'll be needing in quality video being produced, stuff that cover out through everything that's talking
Okay.
of getting started with Yakihonne. And as we all know, videos of this stuff aren't currently online, though I have done one videos and that's about article writing. It will be published soon. Now let's go to the dashboard.
Okay.
Now the dashboard for each user, that every user will be able to have a login, and for the dashboard you'll be able to see the overall progress, the learning streak, certificate end, current level, and then the courses they
So
took,
the exile, what's
the
this?
percentage, and if you want to continue from that course you can continue. You can see your upcoming lessons, and that's it about Bitstream Analytics.
You send a video. Yes. Oh, security. Okay. I thought it's yoga.
Thank you, Chino.
Thank you all. Thank you all.
Thank you. Thank you for the presentation. Well, it was really lovely and clear about the Bitstream. Let's jump now to our Josh, if you have anything. So maybe more fast. Moose.
Yeah. Hello, everyone. Again and again.
Mike is yours.
I just want to know from Uchi, is this a prototype or is this a fully functional application? Because
Okay.
it
Alright.
seems to be a prototype.
All right, so currently it's still a prototype. It's not yet fully integrated because, like I said earlier on, I'll be needing high quality videos. I'll be needing
Same here.
books, that's guidelines on these different ecosystems,
Mm-hmm.
which currently I don't have hands on to integrate.
32.
All right.
32.
Yeah, this is
It's
my
right.
only question. Thanks for your work.
Thank you.
Okay, let's jump to Yunus.
Thanks for your work, Mark. I have nothing else. It's all good.
Okay.
Been to see this kind of ideas, yeah. Thank you.
But
V,
your skin color,
anything for your part?
it's really white. Your
No questions, but just some feedback for Uche that I mean, education is really the key thing, and I think a lot of it will depend on the quality of the content you publish on this. So that is something that is a bigger challenge than the mini app. So yeah, hopefully you have ideas.
All right,
That's it.
thanks, Alexi.
Thank you. Seth, anything from your side?
Yeah, just wanted to ask you a question, like regarding the content that you provide on the platform. How exactly, like, do you manage to get it and you know make it available on the platform?
All right, sorry, Sid, can you please repeat what you said? I didn't get you clearly.
I said like about the content like provided in the platform. How do you manage like to get it like and be able to display it in the platform?
Okay, how will I manage to get the
Yes.
stuff I will be adding to the platform?
Mm-hmm.
All right, so I'm planning on doing that by because I'm actually an ambassador for Yakihonne, and
Sorry?
actually we have like 2 to 3 videos currently down, and that will be integrated. For the Bitcoin, I want to partner with the Bitcoin ecosystem, so you can give me a walkthrough and also provide me high quality
Today
videos
I have
that will be integrated because I've
four
thought about the
meetings
ecosystem and I believe
and
it will be made possible.
almost 1 hour for each,
Oh,
which
that's it.
means I have
Okay.
4 or 5 hours on the meeting. Yeah.
Okay.
Right now the
Appreciate the valuable
meeting
insight from
close to
our
12.
Josh. That was just quick feedback. Thank you,
Yeah.
Achina, for the presentation. It was really lovely.
2 hours, yes.
Okay.
The same
Now
on.
we'll jump over to the next developer, Sharma, VIP Hive. You can open your mic and yeah, share your screen. The mic is yours.
Perfect. Just let me know, guys, if I'm audible.
All good.
Okay. And my screen is visible,
I can't understand.
right?
Yeah.
Perfect. Let's get started. So what I build is like Zapminder. It's a agentic mini app, which makes a lot of things simpler and on the Nostr protocol itself, using Bitcoin and Lightning and Yakihonne SDKs. So the current problem that you can say is lack of immediate incentives in the native Bitcoin. Like there will be a lot of protocols that you can see, mini apps that are running on Telegram and other stuff, but they are all offering on the Ethereum side of stuff. So this app is solely based on Bitcoin, and it provides you that innate capability to accept sats. So these are a couple of hurdles that currently we face, like ineffective accountability. Like, okay, so if I'm trying to build an habit, I may be incentivized, but like how can I be more consistent? So there's this gap of delayed gratification that happens. Now what we have is like Zapminder, and basically how it works, you just take your sats, okay, create a habit, take your sats, post a daily update about it, and now the AI flow comes in, like it verifies whatever the work you're doing and how impactful it is to the current habit that you have chosen. And if it works, so AI kind of verifies everything and provides you the bonus and the sats back. So this is how basically Zapminder helps you. It's a real motivation, and whatever you're posting on your Nostr post, everything will be public. So maybe the team that you have connected with, they can review, or the friends that you have, they can also check your progress, and maybe they can also get motivated from what you guys are doing. So it's basically very simple agentic mini app which trains your brain to keep yourself consistent, and that to earn sats, which is kind of cool. So let me just give you a technical overview how this product has been built and what all steps are there. So basically you can think of it, you have a Lightning wallet which is integrated with your currently the Yakihonne SW handler. And this, when you create a habit, you kind of stake some of the sats. So when you stake, you have this Zapminder agentic wallet. So you can think of it as a custodian Lightning node currently, which act as an escrow service. So every day you are posting an update or everything. So if I am a user, I am posting daily updates. Okay, so funds are held custodially here. And if I'm posting the update, so it calls my Oracle to check the AI part, to check, okay, the updates that I am posting, is it relevant to my habit, and how it accepts images, videos, anything that it is relevant to the habit that you're trying to build. So once it reverts, so AI analyze everything, and if everything works fine, the agentic wallet kind of fetch some. There will be also another treasury wallet which kind of gives you the bonuses. Okay, so agentic wallet only holds the sats that you have, and the treasury wallet basically gives you more incentives on completing everything. So once that has been done, and everything has like if you have like successfully completed the habit, you will receive the full amount. But if not, then only like we have made it the system like that you will receive some partial, but there will be some sort of loss in the current version if you are not consistent with your habit building to prioritize it. Okay, so without further ado, let me get started with the demo. So you can see here I have this Zapminder. Let me just quickly go here. So it is connected to my same Lightning wallet that Yakihonne has provided with the SW handler, and all the code and everything will be there. So you can see I have created one habit, yoga. Let me just quickly create another habit. Here I can just try VTC learnings, maybe. Like I wanted to post everything about, wanted to learn something about VTC every day and want to post about it. So it is, the UI is pretty intuitive. Okay. So you just go ahead, create a habit, just provide the name and everything, the amount of stats that you want to stake. So if I just keep here 10, and I only have 138. So once I do that, let me just change the to maybe learning, the category, and I will just click on stake and create. So once I hit that, what happens is it is already enabled with the latest Yakihonne version. So as soon as I click it, it creates a habit. It opens the Yakihonne wallet, which actually sends this payment to my, you can say, custodian agentic wallet. And now you can see the payment has been successful and the 10 sets have been provided. Perfect. So let me also show you my wallet has deducted some of the amount. If I just show you my wallet here, you can see it has sent some 10 sets right now. Right. Perfect. And now what I will do is, like, today is my first day to start an habit. So there's a payment model fully integrated, which I will be showcasing you in a while. So now comes the part where you know, showcase like, hey, what did you learn today about Bitcoin, Lightning, Nostr, or anything it could be. Okay. So I'm going to quickly here click on post. I will share my updates. So basically today I learned about maybe NIP57, which are zaps that use Lightning network payments, which has two kinds of events, like kind 9734 and 9735 for payment receipts. And maybe I want to add a video graphic content, or maybe a photo or architecture diagram that I have created. So what I will do is I will open my, and I will just paste this architecture diagram. Okay. So now this also uploads to Nostr immediately. So we have used here Nostr image. So you can see this is a Nostr URL that you get of the architecture. Okay, perfect. Now what we'll do is, as soon as I click on post update, right? Now AI analyzes the whole content that I have written. And based on the AI analysis content, I will have some of my reward status. So you can see here, reward 3 sats has been zapped to your Lightning wallet. So this is the only app that works, I believe, which not only allows you to, you know, provide payment. The custodian node that is running, it is running on the back end. And if I just show you my wallet once again, so you can see here, I have successfully posted the update. And in the wallet, you can see I have received 3 sats. I will be explaining you how the payment model works. But before that, let me also showcase you the update that has been pushed. So this is kind of update, and the AI takes care of the hashtags and stuff if you want to post it on Nostr. It is very clean. It is very intuitive. You just have to post the things that you are learning. It could be a video. It could be an image that you guys are working on. Perfect. Now let me get started. Yeah, this is the AI summary, and like this is pluggable. Currently, I have just keep the sentiment analysis part. You can also plug it to a particular OpenAI maybe, and then it can analyze more thoroughly. So it will work more faster that way. Yeah, so this is how it works. And let me just start with the reward calculation magic logic. Basically, it is, if you have low stakes, like if you are staking only 10 sats, at maximum, we want more and more people to use this app. So it's free sats that you can earn if you post right things about the content that you want to deliver, the habit that you want to build. Maybe it could be yoga, it could be gym, or anything you want to integrate. So this is how it works. So base reward that I got was 3 for the first day. Okay, and for the second day, it is ultimately 5. So it's capped basically at 12 sets at particular. So if you just follow this logic on the README, you will be able to understand how it works for greater than 100 sets. And maybe in the longer run, we can have multiple reward calculation logics. Further, we also have this node. So you can see here, we just sent back the payment to the custodian, from my custodian service to the wallet. So if I just, let me just refresh the logs here if I can. So this is the custodian Lightning node service that was running. Also, everything has been done on Yakihonne widget. So you can actually use this, and you can see here the reward has been sent right now, and that has been received. Perfect. Now let me also showcase you a quick overview. All the SDK integration, whether it's related to the payment, whether it's related to the login on the Nostr client, whether it's creating that 9734 and signing the post to the Nostr client itself, everything has been integrated here. And you can also see the custodian service that my wallet app is using, which wallet it is. So yeah, you can go through the readmes, you can verify everything. So it's an agentic mini app which actually works and does what it needs to be done. Yep. So this was it, and I hope you guys like it. Thank you. I've created the pull request on the main repo as well, and we are good here. Perfect.
Great one from your side. Great work from you, Predator or Sharma. It was a really lovely presentation. It was really lovely demo with the lovely slides. Presentation from my side, it was clear and it's good to understand. So, any questions, any suggestions, any feedback from your part, Josh, Moose, the first?
Yeah. Great job on the Zap Minder. I really like the application and how did you manage to implement all these things, and the logic is obviously too complicated. Also, you have obviously to use the SDK on the fullest. But I just was wondering, how do you plan to keep the treasury wallet full to keep the reward for the users?
Okay, so basically, it's initially we want a lot of people to use our platform. So once we have that number of users, okay, there will be like a lot of way we can earn sats, and using those ways we can top up the treasury wallet, and from there on we can provide those rewards back to the users. So it would be like a zero sum game that we can play around.
Yeah. Okay.
Initially, it's just to attract more people to build habit on Nostr, on Yakihonne and stuff.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, this is it from my side. Thanks again.
Yeah, thanks. Oh, did I left the meeting? No.
Sorry, so I thought the mic is muted. Yeah. Yannis, anything from your side?
It's really great app. We tested actually, and we discussed this app plenty of times actually. It's really good, and then we like the idea behind this mini app and the whole platform itself actually. Yeah. So from my side, I think everything is perfect, and it's good to see this.
Great. Sad. Anything from your side?
Yeah, pretty much like the idea. I mean, like it's pretty creative. Like we have such ideas, especially implemented to be on Nostr protocol, and this is definitely one of those ideas, 100%. So hats off, good job for this beautiful work.
Thank you.
Let's jump to V. V, anything from your side?
I like this project. It's really cool. No feedback, but I was just thinking about the mention and the usage of custodian lightning always gives me the icks. And I think you have to plan, maybe make it better in other versions in which maybe use something like HODL invoices like RoboSats does, or maybe the Oracle moves to different NPubs who judge you if you're actually doing your work and not just lying about it and posting about it. So maybe users can select, oh, these are the mediator NPubs, and their vote, yes or no, will actually matter. I don't know. There are lots of cool paths to take. Good job.
Yeah, thanks. I would love that suggestion, and if you could, share those in writing, or maybe like, I would love to check it out, because I was thinking of, having more trust minimized. Even I am not a fan of custody first, but during, like, you can think of it as like during this duration of hackathon, I thought, like, just keep it minimal so that it works and everything. Yeah, so the whole app is working right now, but yeah, we can work on more trust minimized escrows. I have a couple of things in mind and would love to brainstorm with any one of you guys together.
Yeah, hit me up. I'll post my NPub on the chat. So yeah, send me a DM.
Perfect.
Okay. Thanks again, Predator or Shama, for the presentation. It was really lovely. And thanks for the presentation. It was very clear, and the live demo. It took time, but it's okay. Thank you, guys. I think this is it, guys, for today's session, for today's demo day. Okay. I will jump, guys, to the last dev, Douglas Kiprop, for the presentation. Douglas, the mic is yours. You can open your mic, you can share your screen, and good luck. Hello, Douglas. Are you here?
Okay. Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you clearly.
So let me present my screen. So you can see my screen.
Yeah, clear.
Yeah. So okay, thanks. I'm Douglas, and I built Nostr Chat, which is an AI-powered decentralized, and it's an AI agent that allows users to interact with the agent within the Yakihonne client. And basically, the main purpose of this, the main objective of this agent is to generate threads, which we are calling Nostr threads. So I'll take you guys through my slides. So the summary of Nostr Chat, it introduces seamless integration of advanced AI directly into Nostr clients like Yakihonne using the smart widget handler. The Agentic MiniApp enables real-time chat, AI-powered content generation, and one-click note publishing. So basically, this agent generates Nostr threads about any topic you want, and you can simply and then you can just post directly to Nostr. Yeah, you can directly post it through Nostr client, the Nostr client. So the problem, users must leave their Nostr clients for interactive AI experiences, breaking workflow and compromising security. There's no native, secure, frictionless way to generate, publish, or engage with AI-powered content within the Nostr ecosystem. So this is the problem we came to solve by integrating our agent within the smart widget handler. And basically a user can access the smart widget and access the AI and generate content directly within the Yakihonne client. So our solution, we embedded a real-time AI assistant into Nostr via the Yakihonne tool widget, creating a seamless in-client experience. How it works. So so we have our Nostr client. When a user accesses the Nostr client, like the Yakihonne client, so you can access our agent in the tool widget, and basically you can ask it anything about Nostr, the whole Nostr ecosystem, and it will return the results. You can also query about the Nostr threads, and you can generate threads seamlessly within the client. So how we implemented this agent with Nostr, we use the smart widgets handler, which works, which can, so when the user is within the Yakihonne client, the agent uses the smart widget handler, which the user already signed in, and then and if you are using the agent as a standalone application, like maybe when you open a website, you're using the NIP 07 to basically you're using your wallet to log into to the agent. So maybe I'll go ahead and demonstrate how it works. So we'll proceed to Yakihonne. So as you can see, it's just a simple interface. Basically, it's an AI assistant. So I designed a UI which is just it's a clear and minimalistic UI. So you can see here. So you have these chat bubbles, like you can try what is Nostr, and the agent returns information about Nostr. So you can query what are relays, what are events, notes. So you can basically get anything about Nostr. So we go to the main application, which is generating Nostr threads. So so you can see. So we need a keyword, the target audience, and content type. So those are the things that you need to create threads in there. So maybe we can say we want to generate threads about Bitcoin. And our target audience maybe are Web3 enthusiasts. And maybe we want the content type to be educational, right? So when you give the agent the keyword, the target audience, and the content type, so it relays this information to the backend, which is our agent. Our agent is we created our agent using Google ADK framework, and it's deployed to Google Cloud. And the agent has access to tools, and these tools we can add them. We can add as many tools as you want. So for this hackathon, I went ahead with the Nostr threads, which are just like the Twitter threads. So when you send this information, the agent calls the threads tool, which is basically an N8N workflow, and then it executes the tool, and it returns to us a very rich threads which is ready to post. And as you can also see, we have the post to Nostr button, which basically, so we have the agent returned our results, and we have a very, so now maybe we can try again, because I don't think this thread is complete. So, but basically, when you generate the threads, you can simply post to Nostr, and it will attempt to post via the parent client, which is in our case is the Yakihonne client. So guys, maybe I've given the agent too many concurrent requests. So, but
I'm here.
okay, maybe we can start this over because I think we've given the agent too many concurrent requests. I'm sorry guys, it takes around a minute to generate the thread. So
Is there any problem? All the minutes remaining good.
no, okay, it's come. So these are the threads. So as you can see, it's a very rich thread, and it has the content. It's ready to be published. So when you post to Nostr, it should post directly. Don't know what's the
1 minute left, Douglas.
okay. So maybe there's a technical error that's supposed to post directly. Anyway, so I can show you. I posted some threads. You can see here. So it's a very rich thread, as you can see, and it's supposed to post with the SW handler. Don't know why it's bringing problems right now, but as you can see, it's a very rich thread. You actually and it's ready to be posted, right? Yeah. So I think that's all.
Okay, all good, Douglas. It was really great idea, very great app. We'll hand it over now to our tech part. Any questions from your side, Moose?
Oh yeah, good job on the Nostr chat. I just have a small feedback. I think you can work more on the performance of the backend, so this issue can be minimized a bit. I mean, the response of the AI.
Okay.
Yeah, because the latency can cause the user to just quit the app.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's from my side. Good job again.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, so we move to Yunus.
Good job, and there's nothing from my side. As Moose mentioned, like the app needs to be a bit responsive for users, at least they can use it. Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, Sad.
Yeah, it's pretty much like Sam. I guess the idea like is really great, but from the technical aspect, like it needs to be improved a little bit. So, like most definitely, like it needs, especially in the backend, slow responses like is gonna make people willing to use the app. So you gotta work on that. And other than that, like the whole idea, like, is definitely something good.
Thank you. I welcome that response then.
Okay, we'll go back now to V. Anything from your side?
No, nothing much. I think Moose and Unes covered all the major points. So yeah, well done, Douglas.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. So Douglas, yeah, that is it from your side. It was really a good presentation, most clear slides and good demo. Thanks for the presentation.